Power treads. Now let's return to RC vehicles for a while. The majority of them have a similar flaw. They are only able to move on smooth surfaces and become stuck if they erroneously go into bare ground or grass. Power treads is an exception to this norm because of its distinctive form, which offers the toy incredible cross-country movement for its size. It traverses various sorts of terrain while amusingly navigating obstacles, allowing you to design obstacle courses for it. It costs $30. Every day in any family, no matter how big or small, is packed with a ton of activities and chores. Misa is a robotic companion that will help you stay organized and always be aware of what's going on. First of all, Misa is a toy that can keep your child amused for many hours. It can dance, play a lot of engaging games with the child, and chat with them while their parents are busy. Activate the alarm clock the timer. Look up information online. The next product, the HHD H6, is certain to please ardent fans of remote control toys because it eliminates the agony of having to choose by combining two toys into one. The HHD H6 is a motorcycle that can turn into a drone in a matter of seconds with a few adjustments. The wheels of the vehicle double as the drone's propellers. The benefits of the toy, however, do not stop there. Stunt shot of an AirHog. Let's conclude our video with another incredible radio-controlled car. As you can see, the stunt shot from AirHogs' main feature is its enormous soft wheels, which first enable the vehicle to overcome obstacles and enter the most unexpected spaces, and secondly, to do so without damaging the nearby furniture or people. The toy costs $25 and shock blast that doesn't leave any marks even when it goes across sensitive surfaces. This SilverLit is a very cute chameleon that changes the color of its back and crest and sticks out its tongue to move objects or pick up special tokens that are used as food. It costs around $40. If your child wants a pet but isn't ready for one yet, a good option is to give them a robotic animal. Rolling Lizard of the Terra-Sect. Even though you won't learn anything new from this RC toy, it will keep a youngster occupied and take the place of numerous other toys. The Terra-Sector Lizard's secret is that it has two working modes. In the upright position, it travels like a regular automobile. When bent, however, it begins to roll like a wheel and easily climbs stairs and other obstacles. The starting price is $18. As you are aware, not all toys in this world are made just for kids. Some have such intricate designs and minute features that only an adult can truly appreciate them. Böhm's Stirling Peugeot app 172. One of them is the automobile you're viewing on your screen. The Peugeot app 172 from Böhm Stirling is a collectible toy model of the Peugeot Quadrolet made in the 1920s. Its developers gave the model a tiny 4-cylinder engine, which also has a cardan to drive the rear wheels in place of a radio control, which is an interesting and significant feature of the toy. The Peugeot app 172 can travel for 10 minutes. Ganker is typically, since most contemporary toys are made for a single user, a robot from the business Oz Robotics is more valued. This toy offers a special chance to test your robotic skills while having fun with others. The developers of Ganker robots offer to improve your skills while creating and customizing the robot's weapons and armor elements so that each robot can be absolutely unique. Advanced players can create special commands and movements for the robot through coding. It's noteworthy that although the toys are relatively simple, the controls are fairly simple, intuitive, and performed using a special app installed on your smartphone. To win in a battle against another player, you'll have to train. That's enjoyable and beneficial. The Chinese business Hiwonder created the SpiderPi, a gadget that can teach its user the fundamentals of programming. It has a high-resolution camera that allows color identification and assists in object tracking. The robot supports the capacity to follow visual lines and utilizes ultrasound to detect obstacles that it can effectively avoid. The possibilities of the robot are unlimited, and with the aid of coding, it can be programmed to carry out a number of tricks. If you know how to manage SpiderPi, it becomes a toy that will never let you get bored. You can get it for $580.